everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with anything and everything about coupon organization methods. This video was requested by Sandy Pardigam Rogue, or I'm not sure how to say her name. I'm sorry for that. But anyways, they requested to hear about how I organize coupons, all the different organization methods, and how I keep track of deals. So I'm going to share that with you today. I'm going to share how I do it along with other methods that other people do. That's one thing about couponing. Not one thing works for everybody. There's different ways to do things. So yeah. So first up, we are going to dive right into how I keep track of deals. So let's say I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, or I see it on a blog or something, and a new deal pops up. There are two ways I have done this. I usually would just write it down in a notebook before I really got too extreme. Just write it down in a notebook. But what I always found was I was losing notebooks, and I'd misplace stuff and wasting notebooks, and yeah. So what I decided to do was well, I already use Excel to plan for all my hauls. Why not just keep track of deals in Excel? So let me show you what I do. I'll flip the camera over to Excel and we'll look at that. Okay, so we're in Excel now, and if you've been watching me for a long time, you know I use Excel all the time. So here's what I do. Let's say I see a deal that Schick razors right now at Walmart are free after Ibotta rebates. I don't want to forget the deal. So what I do is I just build that same spreadsheet template like I always do for my hauls. And so let's say you haven't seen, if you don't understand my template, I have a much more in-depth video all about it. If you want to check that out, it'll be over in the description box below. So okay, so here we go. We have the Schick Hydro Silk. People are posting this. It is $8.88 at Walmart. Or no, it's $8.97. We have a $4 off coupon, but I factor in my tax. So that gives me price minus your coupon plus your sales tax gives you $5.62. Ibotta has $5 back. Nothing from Savings Star, nothing from Checkout 51, nothing from Fetch, and nothing from Shopkicks. So I gotta take my $5.62. There's all my rebates. And that's what it would cost me right now if I walked in and got the Schick. I have it wrote down. I have the coupon. I have the tax. I have everything. You might be wondering, how do I know what insert the Schick came in? I cut out all my coupons, so that really isn't relevant to me. But if you need to do that, just insert a note here and just say 512SS. That way you'll know. So that is definitely an option there. I just do this for my deals, and whenever I see new deal or a bonus, it's very easy because I can just pull right here from my list of deals I want to do and just build a bonus based off of this catalog of deals I'm interested in. So like the soft soap. Let's say I want to get more soft soap at Kroger. I have 4 more coupons. I want to get 4 more. I have $2 off, and I have my tax. I'm going to just copy down there. My out-of-pocket would be $2.25. So I know, okay, these are things I really want to get. These are the rebates I want to do. And there you go. So that's how I keep track of all my deals in Excel. Like I said, you can totally do pen to paper. I just prefer Excel because it's not getting lost. It's not going to go anywhere. And there you go. So that is how I organize my deals. But now I'm going to show you how we organize coupons. And there are 4 different methods we're going to go over today. Okay, so first up is definitely... It used to be the binder method was what all the YouTubers would promote. Now it has definitely turned into this one. Most of the big YouTubers promote the whole insert method. And let me show you what this is. This is when people put their inserts, so like this, 5.5 Smart Source. They go over to the 5.5 Smart Source, or the 5.5 inserts, I'm sorry. They pull out their Smart Source folder. And there it is, which is a decent method. It definitely is a decent method. You have all your coupons in the folder from that week. What I did for this, I got a ton of extras that week, and I didn't cut them all out at the time, so I just did this. I paper clipped the like pages, then I could just sit and cut them all out if I wanted to. I'm not decided if I'm going to sit and cut them all out. But yeah, it's that's what people do, and they don't. And some people don't even paper clip; they just slip their inserts down and do that. you know, it is definitely much quicker because you only cut what you need. So let's say you're going to Kroger, you're getting the Bic Soleil, you're only cutting your Bic Soleil coupon. It saves a lot of time up front. But the thing there's a lot of things I don't like about this method, which is why I've never fully switched to it. I don't think I ever will. Number one, you have to know to the T like what you're getting when you're going to the store. You have to sit down, you have to plan. There is no on a whim, I'm gonna go to Walmart kind of thing. You have to know because you have to sit and cut all your coupons out for that particular trip. And not everyone wants to do that, and not everyone functions like that. There's many times that someone in the family is just like, we need this, and we're at the store. So if I just did the whole insert thing and didn't cut out all my coupons or didn't have them all with me, I would be out of luck. I saw someone on YouTube the other day did a haul, and they left their coupon in the car, and they still bought it anyways. And I was like, what? Why would you do something like that? And that's kind of why the whole insert thing doesn't work. You forget, you miss a ton of clearance. You really don't remember what you have. A lot of these coupons, because you're not going to see it, you're not going to handle them as much. So in my opinion, you would forget what you have. But like I said, this is great for the simplicity portion of it. If you can be that structured, you can plan it out, or you can take this in the store even. I just feel like it'd be kind of hard clipping in the store, which is kind of the main reason I've not fully switched. I did for this last week's inserts. I'm probably going to cut them out though, knowing me. And I'll explain it when we get to my method. So another one, and this is what a lot of people use with this method, it's a little like accordion coupon file thing. They have like categories in them, like 10 categories. You can slip the coupons down in there and you take that to the store. Yeah, that is a good thing. I did use it for a while, but when I really got into extreme couponing, like 3 weeks in, the thing broke. And that was like, what you gonna do there? Because you can go buy another one, have it break too. That is when I really made the switch to, let's talk about my current method and the one I've sworn by for years. Now, I'm not going to say I haven't tried to change because this method gets a little wearing after a while, but I have just used this one for years. So let me go ahead and flip the camera over to the table and we will talk about my current method. So yes, I totally still do use the coupon binder. This is a K-Sit binder. I got it at Walmart and I love this. So it has this little accordion file, which I use to keep inserts. I haven't got around to cutting various things like rebate forms I'll put in there. Here I keep restaurant coupons, store coupons, some paper clips. This little pouch, I keep coupons I'm planning on using for that particular trip. And then this is all my free product coupons that I want to use, and I keep them with the original letter. And then I also have this. This is just broken down into categories with the baseball card sheets. You know, baking and condiments, breakfast beverages, candy and snacks, dairy, freezer, fridge, cleaning products, laundry products, paper goods, pet supplies, cold medications, eye medications, pain relievers, first aid items, stomach and sleep aids, vitamins. I have baby products, body wash and deodorant, facial products, feminine products, even though I'm a guy, hair products, see, some of them are falling out, shaving items, and then oral care products. And it's huge, as you can see. It's very, very big. And the thing I love about this, let me flip the camera back. The reason why I swear by the binder is I have everything with me at all times. There's not a coupon sitting on my desk, or there's not a coupon sitting in the car. If I have the coupon, and that's why I like to cut them all out, if that coupon came in my insert, if I printed that coupon, if I found the tear pad, it's in this binder. If it's not in this binder, I don't have it. That's what I love about this. There's no guesswork and hunting around for stuff. If I have the coupon, it is in this binder, and that is what I love about the binder. So the reason I love it, it is so easy to see. Let's say you're in the you're in the baking section you want to find a coupon for Splenda. If I have a Splenda coupon, it's in the baking section. If I don't have a Splenda coupon, then you're not going to find it. If it's not in this section, then I don't have that coupon. That's what I love so much about the binder. It just is, it's amazing. It truly is amazing. You have access to everything of coupons. There are cons though, and this is one of the main reasons why I have struggled to keep up sometimes. But I've just learned this is my method. This is the one that works for me. It is a big time commitment. You're going to spend some time doing this every week. A couple hours you're going to spend keeping up on this binder, cutting out all your coupons, filing them, and cleaning out the expired. It takes a couple hours a week. How I look at it, I feel like with any coupon organization method, it is going to take a couple hours a week. Even if you're doing whole inserts, you got a lot of time prepping for your trips, thumbing through inserts, cutting all the coupons out of them, printing coupons. I just feel like the binder might take a little bit longer, but I feel like all the methods are pretty complicated in the end. So yeah, I love that. But it is a time commitment. It definitely is. 2, you might get some weird looks in the store. I recently at Walmart had a guy, one of the greeters, he asked me, he kind of made me feel like I was stealing, but I just explained to him, hey, this is my coupon binder. He could have looked at it if he wanted to, and he just let me go on my way. But you sometimes do get some odd looks about the binder. You can get stopped. I've got stopped by people who just thought it was the best thing in the world. They're like, whoa, you really use all those coupons? And I'm like, yeah, well, yeah. Or they're like, you have all those coupons? And I'm like, well, yeah, I have all these coupons. I'm like a extreme couponer here. So, yeah. But there are cons to it, but I really feel like there are more pros, because if I run into a clearance deal, you know how many times I've run into clearance at Walmart, especially, or at Kroger even. A couple weeks ago, those Kleenex wipes were 49 cents on clearance, and I had 50-cent coupons. If I wouldn't have had my binder and I just would have done the whole insert thing, A, I would have took me like 10 minutes to try to cut them all out in the store, or B, I wouldn't have even had them because I would have just left my inserts at home. It's not, to me, I'd rather get all the deals at once and not have to spend as much prep time, if that makes sense. So, yeah, that is why I choose the binder. But let's say you're looking for a way, you don't want to do whole inserts, but you also think the binder is just a bit too much. There is another method. Didn't really work for me that long, but let's go ahead and we'll talk about the box method. So here is the box method, which honestly is a good method. It is like the accordion file, but it has a ton of room in it and has a ton of flexibility. So basically what you do, you get dividers and you put the coupons in there, basically. So like air fresheners, you put all your air freshener coupons in there. You know what I mean? Like cereal, you put all your cereal coupons in that section. You get very, very specific here, which is a good thing because it doesn't make as many coupons to look through. However, this did work, but it's not as visible as the binder method. It's not as visible at all. And you gotta spend a whole lot of time thumbing through in the store. But again, this is not a bad method at all. It is very similar to the binder. I know a lot of you use a box and you are very successful with it. I think this is just as good as the binder if you are able to have the patience to sit and thumb through stuff. I was overlooking things in the box. I was overlooking coupons, and I just felt like it was taking just as much time as the binder. So I thought, why not just do the binder then? So yeah, but the box and the binder are very similar, and they're both very good methods. So yeah, that is the 4 main ones I know. Like I said, I do believe in cutting your coupons out. I just feel like in the end, it makes the most sense. But I know everyone has different things. So let me know your coupon organization. Is it like this? Do you put your coupons in baseball card holders and put them in a binder? Do you do a coupon box method? Do you do whole inserts? Do you just do a little tiny accordion folder? Does that work for you? Or if you do something other than this. I'm not aware of any other methods, but I'd be very open to hearing them if you do have another organization method, because I'm always looking for organization tips and everything. So, yeah, that is all I have for now. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and thank you so much for watching.